Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add or change group picture on Facebook Messenger. So if you also want to add or change group picture on Facebook Messenger, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. So what you have to do is open the group chat in which you want to add or change the group picture. Now you can see over here that particular group chat will be opened. At top right, you'll be able to find several icons over here. All you have to do is tap on the icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options for customization, chat info, more actions, privacy, etc. At top, you'll be able to see the profile pictures of the group members. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to change the group photo. You can see two options over here, take photo, choose photo. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to take the photo. If you also tap on the option take photo, you'll be able to take the photo. Simply click the photo. After that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the bottom. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the group picture has been changed. So that is how you add or change group picture on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.